areas could be seeing snow around 10 o'clock this morning. 20 News reporter Haley Crumblehome is live in Springfield, with some communities have already been preparing for this.
We still have a few hours before snow starts falling here in Springfield, but Mayor Dominic Sarno told 22 News the city is ready for today's snowfall. Now, last Thursday's storm already cost the city of Springfield $350,000 of their $1.5 million snow removal budget for all of 2017. Another 6 to 10 inches are expected to coat the city throughout the day today, and some city streets are still clearing out snow from last Thursday's storm. It dumped around 16 inches on Springfield. The city does haul all of the downtown snow to 2 snow dump sites, one off West Columbus Ave and another at Blunt Park. And I spoke with some residents who said they're having a difficult time deciding where to put the snow that they're shoveling off of their driveways and sidewalks. Now, the roads were a bit slick already this morning, so drivers are certainly cautioned to be careful if you're going to be heading out later today. Reporting live in Springfield, Haley Crumblehome, 22 News.